What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today, we are going to compare Claude AI and ChatGPT, two heavyweights in AI industry. In this video, we are going to take a quick look at what both platforms can offer. Let's start with Claude AI. Claude AI is a transformative AI platform crafted by Anthropic, offering exceptional reliability, safety, and versatile functionalities. Trained on expansive datasets encompassing texts and source codes, Claude AI excels in generating content, translating, producing creative works, summarizing, and responding to queries. With two distinct versions, Claude and Claude Instant, catering to diverse users' requirements, Claude AI boasts superior multitasking capabilities, multilingual support, and document reading capabilities. Its applications span across multiple fields, ensuring efficient usage regardless of profession. By leveraging Claude AI's intuitive interface and comprehensive functions, users can streamline their workflows, save valuable time, and enhance overall productivity. To access Claude AI, you need to go first to their website and create your free account. So to do that, you can go ahead and open up your web browser and go to Claude.ai. Now, once you're here, you can sign up using your Google account, and this is for free. So all you have to do is just click on continue with Google and sign up using your Google account. Now, after that, you are going to be taken directly to Claude AI's main interface. Now, here, Claude AI's main interface is very clean and straightforward. So all you have here is the text box and nothing else. So this is a very straightforward interface. So to start with, just like any other chatbots, you can type your query or your question in the text box. So say, for example, here you can say, how long will it take for a space rocket, for example, to travel to Mars if it is cruising at 200 miles per hour? So here it is going to give you the answer and also some suggestions. So here we can see that it starts by saying, unfortunately, 200 miles per hour is not nearly fast enough for a spacecraft to reach Mars. And in the end, it is going to give you a conclusion or a summary. So if you like this answer, you can give it a thumbs up, and it is going to improve the algorithm of Claude AI. But if you don't like the answer, or somehow the answer is wrong, you can click on the thumbs down and you can actually give a feedback on what went wrong and why the answer is wrong. And after you explain, you can click on submit. Claude AI can also summarize documents. So all you have to do is click on this clip icon right here, right beside the Start Chat button. And it is going to open up a new window where you can choose your document. So I have here a document. I will just choose this PDF and click on open. So after it loads up, you can ask your question. So for example, I will say, summarize this document. And I will click on the arrow right here. So it is going to give you the summary of the PDF. So after that, you can actually ask follow-up questions. So say, for example, here you can say, what is the best practice in playing drums? And it is going to give you an answer that is based on the document that you uploaded. Now, if you didn't like the answer or somehow you want a different answer, all you have to do is click on retry, and Claude AI is going to generate another answer for you. Also, Claude AI can summarize an entire website. So all you have to do is type or paste the URL on the text box here and click on the arrow. So it is going to give you a summary of what is in this website. One of the standout features of Claude AI is its multilingual ability. It can translate one language to another. Now let's talk about ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an advanced conversational AI model developed by OpenAI, revolutionizing the way humans interact with machines. One of ChatGPT's standout features is its natural language generation capabilities. It can generate human-like responses in real time, facilitating engaging and meaningful conversations. ChatGPT excels in content creation assistance, helping users brainstorm ideas, refine writing, and generate creative content across various domains. Another unique feature of ChatGPT is its vast knowledge retrieval abilities. It can provide accurate and relevant information on a wide range of topics, making it a valuable resource for research and learning. ChatGPT leverages personalized recommendation algorithms to offer tailored suggestions and advice based on user preferences and behavior. Lastly, ChatGPT facilitates interactive learning experience, engaging users in dynamic conversations and simulations to enhance comprehension and retention. In summary, Claude AI shines with its customizable, task-specific AI solutions, making it ideal for industries like customer service and data analysis. Its integration capabilities and efficiency drive significant productivity gains. Conversely, ChatGPT's versatility and general-purpose functionality make it suitable for a wide range of applications, including virtual assistants and content generation, with its pre-trained knowledge base offering adaptability without extensive customization. Ultimately, the choice between the two platforms depend on specific use cases and preferences, with both contributing significantly to the advancement of AI technology in practical settings. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.